So now it's finally time to head inside the biker's paradise. Let's go. Today we are heading inside a company that has been punched down just because they make two perfect bikes and two perfect machines. Let's head inside. So this is S1000 Single R. This is the best inline 4 naked bike, and this bike is absolutely fantastic and stunning. So now it's time to head inside and figure out what all bikes these guys have, and then we move on to this. This is absolutely stunning for a scooter. Something very different and very unique. BMW is full of surprises. You see this, after seeing that electric scooter, this one scooter is here. This is CE, I don't know what is it, but it looks stunning. And इंडिया में अगर ये होता तो ये काफ़ी हद तक हिट हो चुका होता, और इंडिया में एक ऑलरेडी जो BMW का स्कूटर है वो हिट हो चुका है, और ये अगर वहाँ आ जाए तो बर्गमैन तो ख़त्म। कोंडवा के लोग बर्गमैन पे कभी वापस जा नहीं पाएंगे। Heading inside, you've seen the S1000s, and this is the best 1300cc you can buy, the trophy edition. This is the GS 1300, sorry, not the GS has been discontinued. This is the R 1300, and just look how amazing this bike is. It's the best long tourer and off-roader bike, but for off-roading it's very heavy, but for long tours, so this is the biker's paradise, R1300 in triple black, and this is the bike that got discontinued, GS 1250. Now this is also known as R, but this was my favorite long touring bike. You can see from the front, this bike looks so amazing, so huge and so bulky. This was amazing. And then, but now BMW decided to stop it. I don't know why. Then here comes the best K series. I don't know what to say. I'm speechless for these kind of bikes. K1600. Huge and a lot of comfortable. This is the competition of Goldwing, Honda Goldwing. This is the demo model of GTL. This is the actual competition of the Honda Goldwing. Yes, you heard me right. You see this? You can go to places on this bike that you cannot even imagine. Long tour, not a problem. Just get in. This inline 6 engine is something different. So आपने देखा हर तरीके की बाइक BMW के पास है, ऑफ रोड, सुपर स्पोर्ट, नेकेड और टूरिज्म। ये बाइक्स का तो कोई जवाब ही नहीं होता कंफर्ट में। अगर आपने ये बाइक ले ली तो आपको अपनी लाइफ में कभी कोई दूसरी बाइक की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। अब हम जाते हैं उस बाइक की तरफ, उस कैटेगरी की तरफ जो बहुत ही अंडररेटेड है, बट दीज आर वन ऑफ द बेस्ट बाइक्स इन द मार्केट, एंड हियर इट स्टार्ट्स. This is the BMW R90. So it's not 90, it's 9 single T. This bike is something amazing. The boxer engine, the build and the quality and the look of this bike is amazing. This is the R90, even this is the R90. You see, these two colors are so fantastic. People who own this usually never sell these two bikes. once in a lifetime you will be able to sell your S1000, you will sell your Ducati Panigale, but once you buy these kind of machines and K1600 or the GTL, you will never sell those. Those are the keepers. See this? These guys, these bikes look so amazing, so fantastic. See this? This is the straight competition to Harley Davidson. However, Harley Davidson is not in this level right now. But this is the straight competition to Harley Davidson. The engine, again, this is 1800cc. Damn. To take care of this power, you need, I cannot say it on YouTube, but you need a lot of guts to handle this kind of machine. And now that we've done this section, now let's head towards that bike, which in previous video I said that either I will buy a Ducati V4S or the S1000RR, but after coming to know about the V4S's maintenance and everything, I will not opt for it. But then you see this. So this is the M package. It comes with a lot of accessories, and this is the bike which you can live with on a daily basis. Unlike the Ducati, which is just for track oriented, this bike will handle everything you give: track, road and long tour. But it is not recommended that you go on a long tour on this bike because it is a super sport after all. But this bike is amazing and fantastic. People who own this do go on a long rides on this. So now the changes in 2025 are pretty obvious, and you can see it. First it starts with the ducts for cooling the brake. Then they've got back the shark fins for engine cooling. This was there in 2016 models before. They had stopped this, now they started it again. Then the Akrapovic exhaust. And the best part is this, the M billets. The M billets all over the bike. And yes, last but not the least, this bike also has an electronic suspension. Well, when you buy a $30,000 bike, they always have an electronic suspension. And the last bike and the king of this showroom right now is this, the XRM. Mind you, I said XRM. This is the M version of the XR edition. This whole thing is carbon fiber. This is no plastic at all. See this? This is carbon fiber. This is carbon fiber. This is carbon fiber. So in M series, BMW tries to save weight as much as they can, and the engine components is completely different. They have this also carbon fiber, and the wheels itself are carbon fiber as well. You see, this is the pinnacle of BMW, and this is the excellence. Just like S1000 is an excellence in super sport, XRM is excellence in off-road. So guys, this is it for today. Comment down in the comment section, this or the Panigale. Which one would you guys prefer, and which do you want to see on my channel? And as we are going out, let's take a final look at the showroom. This is the king of tourism. This and that. These three bikes are amazing. Take a good look at the showroom. Oh, and before I log out of this video, this showroom also has helmet and BMW jackets, which you guys do need to buy when you buy a bike like the S1000RR. Do not just go riding without helmet and without gloves. That's going to be worst for you, not bad. It's going to be worst. Ride safe, be safe, and see you in the next one, guys. Like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and comment down which one would you like to see.